Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on the website of thisonlineworld.com, and on this website we have got a review to read about UserCrowd.com, and this UserCrowd we are going to see whether this UserCrowd app is legit or not. If you ever researched popular ways to make money online before, you have probably stumbled across user testing gigs. There are numerous sites that pay you for testing websites and apps and getting your feedback. Websites like user testing or testing time are prime examples, but it's always good to sign up for for numerous user testing websites since websites rarely have enough testing gigs to let everyone make money. So today we are talking about another popular user testing website that lets you make extra cash, UserCrowd. Now this platform is a little different than your average testing gig. But if you want to get paid for your services by giving design feedback for websites and logos, they, this could be the website for you. The time to break down how everything works and if UserCrowd is legit in our official UserCrowd review. Looking for our other ways, fast ways to complete making money online. Swagbucks earns free gift cards and PayPal cash with this leading rewards website, Survey Junkai. Share your opinion and cash out with PayPal or free gift cards with Survey Junkai. So, what's first question comes with what is UserCrowd? UserCrowd, formerly known as Usability Hub, is a tester panel where you can get paid to give desired feedback for various websites, logos, and demographics. Most user testing gigs pay you to test your websites and mobile apps and are essentially quality assurance jobs. In contrast, UserCrowd helps their clients get real, honest feedback about uh, va- various ideas and designs, various design ideas. All right. So as a user crowd tester, you are mostly giving feedback on design preferences, on how websites or apps look, or what logos you prefer. You aren't bug testing or doing Q&A work on unfinished websites. User crowd states most testing gigs pay between $0 to $1. So this is on the lower end compared to other testing gigs like Playtest Cloud or Userlytics that pay $5 to $10 plus in PayPal cash per test. However, user crowd testings are shorter than other testing gigs, and you don't need a microphone or even a video camera to become a tester, which is another major difference. How does user crowd work? User crowd is completely free to sign up. Additionally, you need to be over 18 and living in a country where PayPal is supported. And I was able to sign up in a minute, and the platform is very easy to use. If you pass these requirements, you can try making money with UserCrowd in 5 steps. Sign up for UserCrowd, complete your tester profile, choose notification preferences, complete test, and get paid. Check out. All right, so sorry, it's cash out. Okay, let's. Number one is sign up for UserCrowd. As mentioned, becoming a UserCrowd tester is free. To sign up, you simply provide your first name, email address, and create a password. You can sign up with Facebook or Google account, but this isn't a big deal. After you sign up, you also have to accept UserCrowd's tester agreement. UserCrowd's tester agreement, which is 4 terms you have to agree to that state. You will give your best effort on every test. You will be honest. You won't create multiple user crowd profiles. You won't download, copy, or share information from tests. Only accept those terms you are almost ready to use the. Once you accept the terms, you are almost ready to use the platform. Number two, complete your user crowd profile like various survey websites and user testing companies. User crowd asks you to complete a short demographic questionnaire before you are eligible to compare tests. The reason for this is because user card wants to match you to relevant gigs, so you are giving feedback on designs you actually care about and understand. This is very standard in the world of testing gigs, and user crowds profile questionnaire takes 1 or 2 minutes to complete. Specifically, the questionnaire asks where you live, the languages you speak, what your what year you are born in, your gender, education level, your job, employment status, and household income. Again, this is very standard for various peer money sites, so don't be alarmed that you have to complete profile before you make money. Thank you so much guys for coming up to the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.